Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday. Today is February the 6th. I'm on my first of two jobs today. I'm actually in the Dallas, Georgia area, but it's more close to the Acworth side. It was about a good hour and a half drive. This is a new client that actually the Miss Brown saw me on Instagram, saw one of my posts, and she said, Courtney, I've been trying to find somebody to do this for us for years. So they have some marble countertops that I'm going to be restoring today. Guys, they are dull. They have a lot of etching. They have a lot of, acid stains, and I'm going to reverse and correct all that today. Now, I am working solo, so you guys might not get the same type of footage because my assistant had his birthday is coming up, so he had to take care of his, tags and stuff like that. So let me flip this around and show you what I got going on this beautiful day. All right, guys, so again, I am in the Dallas, Georgia area. And then after this, I have a consultation for wood floors in Alpharetta. She said her maids put bone on her floors. Her floors are looking horrible now, and I'm going to give her a estimate. And then after that, we have a small screen of recoat back in Lawrenceville. So, all right, guys, so what I'm doing is setting up. I got all my pads I'm going to be using. So these are the countertops I'm going to be doing, guys. These are marble. I brought me a little light in, but if you look, they, you can just see whether they really need some good TLC. And I really enjoy doing marble. So let's come on this side, just kind of show you. See all that, guys. Yeah, this right here. All right, guys, let me go ahead and get to it. And see all that. See all that. All right, stay tuned.
Yeah. Truman. Courtney Lee. Stone looking right tonight. Right tonight. Yeah. Yeah. Courtney Lee got these marble countertop poppin'. Light home, poly, yeah, I keep them looking glossy. Buffed up, sealed tight, man, they ready for the option. Kitchen lit up now, got the whole house talking. Courtney Lee got these marble countertops poppin'. From the door to shine, yeah, I bring it back proper. One day turn around, yeah, I handle every problem. Stone so clean now, got the whole block watching. Walked in the kitchen, seen the etches and the haze. Watermark scratches, looking touching better days. I don't replace, now I elevate the space. Bring the stone back to life, put a smile on their face. Light home first, take the damage off the top. Polish it smooth till the clarity drop. But that surface till the reflection don't stop. Seal it up right so it stay looking high. Did that restoration, now they cover it up, play. Natural stone glowing, yeah, I do it the right way. From islands to vanities, every slab on display. Truman touch different, yeah, the proof in the shine. Courtney Lee got these marble countertop poppin'. Light home poly, yeah, I keep them looking glossy. Buffed up, sealed tight, man, they ready for the options. Kitchen lit up now, got the whole house talking. Courtney Lee got these marble countertop poppin'. From door to shine, yeah, I bring it back proper. When they turn around, yeah, I handle it problem. Stone so clean now, got the whole block watching. No demo dust, no rip out mess. Just skill, patience, and attention to detail, yes, yeah. Home on the shot, like man at the same stone. Yeah, same marble, just brought back home. Yeah, silver protection, water be when it drop. Easy maintenance, yeah, the value don't stop. Real craftsmanship, not a quick fix shop. When Truman pull up, you know the standards on top. From classic white marble to exotic vein tones. Every countertop telling stories in stone. Before it was tied, now we're still in the show.
You see how good they feel?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah, you fine. It's yours. So smooth.
Yeah.